Hello, everyone. Welcome once again. We're broadcasting today. We're just doing an announcement right now. We'll be having our last free drawing for the foreseeable future. Here for Twitch followers, we did the Periscope followers, had a winner. We did the YouTube followers, had another winner there. And tonight we will run the last free drawing for followers on Twitch. Play Paybox. So if you want a final chance at the free drawing, because obviously this week we'll be having almost daily, nightly drawings, but you'll have to purchase the basic membership to try to win an upgrade that we are offering now for free on for the Twitch followers tonight. So that's what we'll be offering tonight, putting everything together, getting things ready. We've had 2 pro level memberships awarded so far. And now for our Twitch followers, most of them get the emails. But we'll see who wins that tonight. And again, anyone else who's watching right now, you have about, let's see, let's get the right timing for you, because I plan to start around 6 o'clock. It's not going to be clockwork, but they will be running around 6 o'clock. Right now it's 10 to 5. So about an hour and 10 minutes from now, we will be broadcasting again the actual drawing broadcast. I'm going to do a few things. Tonight's show is going to be very interesting. I'm going to do a few things. I'm going to take a jab at my new show format for the Bitcoin Wealth Program. So we're going to be doing that. It's going to be very ad hoc at this point, but there's certain things I want to try out, so I'm going to do a test run on that, on a few items, not the show itself moving at a pace that we want to try to do for the regular broadcast, but some elements of it. And so we'll be working into that. It might be of interest to some people out there. And other than that, will be the drawing for one of 3 things: either the basic membership for 1 year, all fully paid up for 1 year in our crypto wealth building program, which you can use also for precious metals. The second membership is the pro level membership, which provides you with the software that you download, and that'll help you to become very efficient, and full training there. So, and also special programs that you'll be able to use to really quadruple up to doubling, tripling, and even quadrupling the amount of income and crypto you're able to realize through our special and unique program. And then finally, what may be on tap, depending on the first spin, which will happen soon after we begin at 6 p.m. USA Eastern Standard Time, may be the Crypto Mine. And the Crypto Mine is a very unique and exclusive asset that we have made available here. And that mine, like a real mine, is focused on one ore, one coin, if you will, or one precious metal. And you get a whole lot of benefits and income that comes into that. A special and unique assets that feed crypto and feed your precious metal into your license, and that is something that's very particular and unique. And obviously It's much better to own a mine with us, and the fact that you own it, so it's something to own, meaning that also you can resell it. And that's a unique feature of the mine license that we have in our program. Of course, the crypto program we have is the best and the safest of all. There is no other crypto program like ours. None of them are as safe, and none of them are expert supported as ours is. And when I say expert supported, of course, I'm speaking to the philosophy that we have in our program, which is simply none of your own money is put at risk. We see what's going on right now. You guys are, if I would say you're killing me, except that I know it already, and I've told you and I warned you. You got this crypto, this Bitcoin going down the tubes, and I'm not laughing at anyone losing their shirts, but really, what's funny is I saw someone, this fellow, sometimes he gets on with a shirt and other times he doesn't, right? So it's interesting. He's been sporting the shirts and then jackets of late, even hoodies. Not of late, but before this latest dip, it gone real down. And then today he gets on and he's shirtless. I said the Bitcoin's down to 7,000 and he comes on shirtless. What does that mean? He lost his shirt here or something? So it's hilarious. And of course, I feel for all of you who have invested your own money. My program is the only program that I've run across that you do not invest your own money. Your own money is safe. People are using my program to swap out of their regular investments in crypto and even in precious stones. I mean, when did I say precious? It looks like I'm going to have to make something for precious stones. Wait for it. That'll be the next one, okay? Because I keep saying precious stones, so it must be that I need to be doing the precious stones ones. Okay, we'll look into that. But the precious metals as well. And they're swapping out. So what they're doing is that with our program, you can make up to $50,000 after our 5-month training program, and you can up to quadruple that amount within the pro level, and that's possible within the first 5 months. So you're talking about a really, very good performance. If you do that, it's up to your own performance, and you can do up to 200,000. We got people swapping out their investments that they've put into crypto, and swapping it out with the income that they've made through our program, and now their former risk invested monies are safe again, and they're still in the game. But they're not risking that money that they probably inherited from grandma or grandpa, or they won in some type of legal suit, or they developed through their business and other investments. Stuff that they sweated for, and they're preoccupied about, they're worried about. And all of this makes the market unstable. You have to understand what's driving the market, what's making it go down the way it is. And it's really people's fear. Their fear, because they have invested their precious monies into into crypto. So my program and it's funny because other people are like, they're looking at me. I mean, what are you coming with? Listen, I'm not the one causing the market to fall. You guys that consider yourself Bitcoin experts, and trading experts, and you all talk about you're all anti-scam and anti-this and that. You are the guy. You are your own worst enemy. You guys are risking your money. You're asking others to risk to enjoy the club. We're the risk takers, But let's do this the right way, right? And then you're trying to figure out what I'm doing. Well, simply what I'm doing is the best method you guys couldn't figure out for yourselves, and you guys don't have the resources to put everything together so that people can do this safely. Thankfully, I have, and I've done it. So, without program, it's the only program and the only group that's able to be part of this crypto um, technological advance safely. No one of us, not a single one, is investing their own money into crypto, yet all of us are heavy in it. See that? Interesting, isn't it? All of us are heavy in the crypto space, but none of us have invested our own money into it. How do you figure that? You got other people there that, they had their money and they put it in, and now they're squirming and they're worried, which they should be. You should be very worried. But none of my people are worried. We're sitting pretty. As a matter of fact, if you had started our program 5 months ago today, you would be getting over $50,000 worth of Bitcoin, if that was your coin, at today's rate, which brings you up to about 6.5 through 7 Bitcoin, okay? 5 months time. Try to do that in your mining operation. And then this continues. It continues. Now, if and when it goes lower, that's even more Bitcoin our members will be making. And when I say Bitcoin, I'm talking about Bitcoin, those who chose Bitcoin as their coin. And also it involves the other altcoins of their choosing. If they chose an altcoin and it's whatever, however the pricing is happening, everything is falling down right now. And right now our people are gaining. We're winning because we are gaining more and more coins. Our people are divesting out of fear. Well, we're able to chump that all up, because when Bitcoin goes up and altcoins start gaining prominence again, we'll be the highest to benefit from that. If it doesn't, we're the only ones who can do that and have that attitude. No one else can, because they've heavily invested their own monies, some of them all they have, which is ridiculous. And that's what's going on. So even those of you who only invested your 20% or whatnot of your income or your holdings, you're still worried about that 20%. You see, but our people have nothing, 0%. They are not worried about if it goes up and down. And I venture to say that some of our members have more, way more in crypto than you do. If you are an investor, they have no worries. Absolutely, they're singing and they're waiting, and that's that. So this is the opportunity that we have for everyone. Everyone can get involved. There's no reason now that if you were thinking about the crypto space or getting involved, which you should. Now you have to know, because in my program, you do not spend any more of your money to purchase any amount of Bitcoin or crypto of any type. Even if you did the precious metal, your money stays where it is. You will not spend a dime on any precious metal. That's simply our program to raise play money, if you will, and just let it go and let things happen the way they're going to happen. Now, everything goes up, everything goes down. Our concern isn't the downs. All our concern is the up. And when it reaches set for ourselves that we will then pay attention and go ahead and implement a plan of profit from this extra, involvement that we have that we didn't really care about until it reached the level that we are interested in. So this is as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. The issue about crypto, friends, this is not an issue of crypto. There's another thing that you guys need to realize. This is an issue of the blockchain and what it represents. And a lot of people are just looking at the financial aspect. Really, the blockchain is more than what's happening now. It's what's coming in the future. So the blockchain is here. It's going to stay here. It will develop more and more as technology begins to get impacted by it, and the new things are discovered and developed based on its reality, its structure. And I did a show, I think last time, the last show was concerning that. Today, in our 6 o'clock show, I will be going into a little psychological point of view that I wanted to express about Bitcoin. And then we'll go through the rest of the program for tonight. So, this is what's happening. If you're a follower of Play Paybox, you'll be in the drawing tonight. All you have to do is follow. It's free. Every other night from now on, you're going to have to buy the monthly basic membership and in our wealth program, our crypto wealth program. And but that regular price is $25, but you'll be able to get in at $10, and you will then participate what you do. And as I recommended, you should do that, since you're terrible at winning things, your luck is so horrible. Well, you should do that at least 5 times, and that way you'll have your 5 months of training guaranteed, and that will have enough money to do whatever you want to do with our programs, with our membership. And plus, you can always just do that month to month. Matter of fact, you can make it a permanent thing for you, just to pay $10 for a month that I don't do it. If I stop doing the drawings, then you'll have to just get your regular membership together. And that shouldn't be a problem for you then. But some of you guys are shrewd, and that's a good thing. So you already know, hey, I'm gonna beat this deal. I'm gonna just get in at $10 a month. Everybody else, you may win. I've seen some surprises. I mean, the first drawing for Periscope was a surprise. The person who won, I was totally astonished, and so that is the way it goes. So hey, maybe you will be the next winner, and you may win of membership and probably a higher level than your basic membership, or a full year of the basic membership, and so you don't have to pay any more or anything, unless you wanted to keep trying to win something through the world. But that time gets silly. Just buy the darn thing. Ended here. Join me 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, just a little after 6. The drawing will begin. The first thing I will draw is which program will be the one we will be giving away, and then I will go ahead with the rest of the show about the programs, talk about each membership, and then I'm going to try some experimentation on some composition that I wanted to try with the performance with the charts. So I wanted to try that to see I can see if I can incorporate that activity on the show. And then after that, we're going to have the drawing and see who wins on my Twitch channel. Play Pay Box is your last opportunity to be in Twitch and look for Play Pay Box. Follow and you'll be in the drawing. Don't wait too late because I'm setting up the list now as I terminate this broadcast. Take care. See you guys later. Enjoy the show. Bye-bye.